What's going on? 1966 Chevelle floor. Yeah. Not the whole floor, just pieces. (1966) Chevelle floor. It's in pretty good shape. There's a few spots here and there that we have to take care of. It's definitely not worth doing the whole floor. But we'll fix those areas. But underneath where the back seat goes is really bad, so we'll have to reassess that later. But let's get the floor section done, and then go from there. Definitely not the most fun, but it's got to be done. Check it off the list. It'll work out. I've been putting it off, definitely. But let's get busy. A little chilly this morning, but I think it's gonna be like 80. Summer's here. I think this is the last week of spring. I love Saturday mornings. To come out, coffee, contemplate. You know, the back of a dryer, that's 18 gauge. Salvage everything. You know, low budget means low budget. You know, you save what you can save and use what you can use. Pretty soon it'll be 110 and I'll be bitching. Count on it. Anyways, this next day, let's get back to work, man. Beautiful. after all weekend doing rusty floor repair, you just gotta hear some open header. It's gotta. Yeah, once we get that back seat in, you know, we'll seam seal from the bottom, and then we'll seam seal the top, and we'll seal it all up. We'll primer it and probably put some undercoating on the bottom, and then I want to put some of that deadener back on there too. So, yeah, it should be nice and solid and tight. So, cool. Yeah, once again, we're just going for solid. You know, we're not going to SEMA. Just not going to be ready. Otherwise, you know. But yeah, we're just making a driver here. I'm not selling this car. I'm going to drive this thing every day. Yep. Yeah, I just looked these up in the book. I mean, both sides. You know, you could probably scab something in there. But there's $60 a piece for each side. And then the one whole piece is like $190. So, you know, I'm just going to get 2 separate pieces for $120. So, you know, I don't know what's up with that. Anyways. All right. Not too shabby. You know, this is the first floor I've done. And, you know, we could have got the pieces and put them in there, and, you know, it made things a lot cleaner, a lot easier. But, you know, we'll stick that money somewhere else, because I ordered all those parts, and I tell you what, the shipping was more than the parts. So, yeah, we'll put this money towards those. So, I mean, they're just rake you over the coals with their shipping. So, you know, hopefully that's about it, except for some trunk stuff, maybe. Yeah. I mean, what are you going to do? Yeah, I'm happy the way it turned out. I mean, once you get the noise and heat barrier on there with the seam sealer and then the stuff on the bottom, you know, the undercoat, you ain't even going to see all that. As long as it's solid, and it'll last for years. So it'll outlast me, I'm sure. But, you know, it's dirty work, man. But, you know, we got it done. So now we'll move on to the back. When one pan was on back order, but the other pan wasn't. So we'll get at least one soon. And then, you know, we can start working on the back until the other pieces come in. Quarter panel is on back order, but the patch panels are for the other side. And the trunk gutter, they're shipping. So, all right, man. But I appreciate everybody watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Solid.